रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Akash Pandey, and the topic of our today's discussion is that is social distancing a new world order. So, for taking my point of view, social distancing is becoming a new order, but uh, for long term, it has a many disadvantage. Talking about the political scenario, many elections activities, government exams have been shut down because of following the social distancing protocol. Difficulty in implementing new laws was there. Talking about economic shutdown of business activities happened, and there was no funding for budget of 2020. Supply changes challenges were there. Social, if we talk about social thing, we don't go to enjoy during our weekends like parties, which we have on our normal days. Lastly, the positive impact was due to the technological. We are more inclined towards the technological. E-commerce activities have been increases. Netflix, Amazon Prime got benefit from it. So for me, uh, only technological have a good impact on social distancing. Others have a negative impact.
I agree to Akash's point, and for me, it's like I don't think so. We can maintain social distancing for much duration. We have already boycotted many rules and stuff. What a pestle in a pestle way, political disadvantages there. Technological, yes. Advantage is that we can sustain on technology because for now technology is a savior. But for long run, social distancing can't be can't sustain because we all know economy is also a major reason for that.
I disagree with you all because uh, social distancing is the new normal. Because if we talk about from the environmental perspective of you point, what India is looking for to reduce the import, and how import will be reduced? It will be reduced only if we bring the social distancing. If we bring the electrical vehicle, if we go, if there is less pollution in the cities and in the metro cities, so it can be helpful. Work can be done. We can take the example of the Amazon. We can take the example of Google and Facebook. They have mandated their employees to work from home till next financial year. So I think social distancing is the new normal, and it is mandatory from the Indian perspective of view. Thank you.
We
I
can't
agree
consider
with
only
all
the
my
point.
friends.
Just a sec. We can't consider the point only of like environmental. Just by seeing India, like India is a very populated country, and like following the social distancing rule is very like impersonal or like improper for the country. We can't say like the technological sector has only been benefited. There are n number of sectors like we can say like medical sector has been the most benefited during like this pandemic time. So like covering all the points, I think so Akash has like covered technology. Like Muskan has said something. Like but for Shashwat, I don't think the environment will be much will, impacted due to social distancing because even though we are following the social distancing, environment has been the most. India has been ranked around like 34% of India has been. Delhi has been the one of the most like polluted like city in the world. So I
I
don't think
believe
so
I
social
believe
distancing is creating impact on that.
environment is something which is a responsibility. Social distancing or not social distancing. So I don't think I agree to Praveen's point that it won't make a greater impact on by social distancing. Yes, but in country like India, we can't have social distancing for long period because
Uh,
as we all can see economy is impacted, all people were protesting minus 23 point something, economy dropped down, we all are on the road.
and
So
we
I
are
believe that.
comparing our financial performance with countries like
Yes.
developed country, and like
I
we are
totally
As
not
per
agree.
my
technological
perception,
developed with that.
my perception, social distancing is only followed till the shots of the COVID vaccine has been made. If when the COVID vaccine has been made, then this social distancing is not going to move further more in the country like in India, which is
I would like to
very
I would
busy
like
and
to add
very.
that
Actually,
even the CEO of McKinsey have stated that it is not decided that when will the vaccine will be discovered for this COVID. The social distancing and the technology, these both will play an important role. in today's generation, and the fintech has replaced the public interaction from to end-to-end digitalization. Uh,
I would like to add
And
upon the point of Muskan that most, as we all know, that most of the population that India has work relies on the basis of daily earnings or daily wages. So, and these people earn their wages through daily works that they get at different sorts of places, like industries or working at the construction department. So, if we see it through the social distancing purpose, social distancing view, it becomes very hard to becomes very hard for them to earn money, and it becomes very hard for the business persons relying in those sectors in uh, to feasible provide it at feasible rates for them, because maintaining social distancing means more cost to them, and it would affect them costively and financially as well. So
I
I'd
agree
say
to
it is.
I want to add on
like
Muskan's
it's
point.
uh, the social distancing has affected the vulnerable section of the society very much. Like many people are dependent on their daily wages and daily earnings, and in that scenario, the environment on talking on Shashwat point, environment is healing because we all are at home. We are maintaining social distancing. Work from home has applied, but the people who are dependent on daily wages and daily earnings, they have been very much affected by this social distancing and COVID situation. So for that scenario, we can't shut down the factories and all, and we can't send everyone home and they can work from home, or social distancing can be maintained. For every scenario, for every situation, we have to, it's like in some situations you can't be at home and work, like you can't make productions at home, you can't do farming at home, you have to visit the places, you have to do the works together in a team. So in that case, social distancing can't be followed. So according to me also, I would agree to Suryansh's point. As soon as the vaccine will come, the this social distancing won't maintain for the longer period.
But carrying forward your point, COVID vaccine is expected to come in by like June 2021, and it's like
No, COVID vaccine is as
for
per the
general
news.
people, it will be coming around like 2024. India is a country which is having a large amount of population. We are
India,
nearby around 134 or 136 billion.
India is the
That's a
only
huge
country
amount.
India is the only country who has maximum production house of the vaccine, and as per the news trailing by the MOH is that the COVID vaccine is going to be upcoming in the first quarter of the upcoming
It's
year.
like whenever the vaccine comes, but the social distancing norm can't be followed in every situation. Some things like production, when you're farming and producing things, that has to be done. And farming, you are dependent on food. Food is the thing you want, and for social distancing, you can't bring the things. You can take home delivery of food items, but the production has to be taken place in a group, or like they have to take them together, not
I think
socially
I would
I
like
distancing
think
to
what
add
we
to the
want to
before.
Suzanne's
say
point.
that we can
Uh,
in every sector, only technological aspect is what we are getting advantage on. That's it. Else, factory or normal life, you can't expect to be on Zoom or Google Meet.
Yes, I
And
agreed to Muskan. And one of the component, if we look the digitalization, it is only favored by the mostly it is favored by the COVID-19 here. So
And adding to Muskan's and Priyanka's point, it's not about the weaker section. It is a KPMG report which states that around 61% of people are dissatisfied working from home. So their productivity is increasing, but there is no work-life balance. They are not even enjoying their Saturdays, Sundays. They have to even work on weekends also. So there is no work-life balance. So
Yes,
for me, social distancing can't continue for a longer period.
yes,
yes, work
and
from
I would
home is
like to
not
add to the
easy
point.
thing. It's a 24/7 job
And
It's
now.
also costing
I
to
think
economy so much. Like we have seen the
Even though the production has
economy has
even though the
gone down.
I think this social distancing is not mandatory for the all the sector of the economy, but to the those sector or those areas where very very crowded something area is where the social distancing is well made. If we apply all if we apply the social distancing in all the sectors, like for example in the production sector, in the factory sector, then the then the production is not going to done in the appropriate form, or not going to in the ample amount. So it will also occur a huge loss to the their
And
uh,
the thing
moreover,
is that
it's
the
like
production has been able to increase. The efficiency of the like employee has been down. Even we are working 24/7, but the efficiency which we are maintaining during the like office hours or like the recent time, it has been dropped down to a large extent.
and moreover, because of social distancing, many employees have been laid off from their jobs just because the government has imposed the scenario that you have to maintain social distancing. People are laying off their employees so that they can, so they have to maintain the rules and regulations also, because of which the many earnings and all have gone down of people.
To add
Uh,
to Priyanka's point, like she said that many employees have been terminated and all. So if I talk about laws perspective, many courts and many laws and consumer courts and all, this hasn't been open because of social distancing norm, and many cases were kept on pending and pending. So it had affected uh, on the laws also, and economically, political, everything. It has impacted a negative impact on our section, on our every section of India.
Yes, for now, what we can do, it's like we can't. If it's not necessary, we can be at home and do our work. But for especially for people who have to do field work, they can. We can do precaution. We can take precautionary measures and boost our immunity. That's all we can do for now till the vaccines comes up.
Yeah, but that's
That's the
the
only
problem.
possible thing we can do right
But
now.
we can only assume when the vaccine is gonna come. Last time it was stated that it was assumed that it would come up till October or November, and now they are stating that it would come till the first quarter of next year. Who's gonna who's no but there is no guarantee that it's surely gonna come in the next quarter. So there is still an uncertainty that it's gonna take a while more than that.
The
Uh,
simple thing
I,
is that we have to carry forward the social distancing factor over the next year, not only like half a quarter or next year. We have to carry it forward 2 to 3 years for next 2 3 years, because the vaccine will not be available to each and individual to the next 2 3 years. Even though the
It's
India
like
is
we
the
can
big,
carry forward the necessary things which can be taken forward without social distancing. Sorry, with social distancing. It's like the things we are taking off with Google Meet, Zoom meeting, and the companies which can work from home, they can carry forward with social distancing in future also, because it's saving their operational costs also. Like I have seen the news in that Deloitte has shut down its 4 offices permanently for and switched over to work from home. So it's like the companies which can do work with social distancing, they can continue with it. But for the time being, the things which cannot be carried forward with the social distancing has to be waiting for the vaccine to come, and they can carry forward with the precautions.
can we go for conclusion now?
yes, so I would like to conclude in my point of view. I believe that, as you know, the GDP has been fallen down to minus, and it will take around 2 to 3 years to get India get to recover to that same position what it has. So for me, social distancing norms should be not continued for many time for further. I I believe that government should put restrictions on some sectors, but they had to open. And social distancing norm is obviously affected India in very negative terms. In comparison with health wise, I know India's recovery rate got gone increases to 90%, above 90%. But we have to take care of our economy. and economy is not a thing which should be neglected now, because as you know, our GDP is in minus. So
Uh,
that's my goal.
I'd like to conclude by my side that if we see at the social distancing norms, it has added an advancement in the technological aspects of our daily lives. Even at the weaker sections of a country, they had got now the users of internet and smartphones which weren't available back when the prior to COVID period, but now it's there because it has becoming an addition to their normal life. And talking about the bad aspects that as it has many. So it for the regular people who have been working uh, in this with the technology, it has become a monotonous feel to it. It has become further. So I'd say it has caused them in the terms of their productivity. And other than that, in some in uh, in some sectors where the technological advancements or technological aspects can't be used, it has been costing them financially as well. So I think the social distancing norms should be relieved.
In my
As per
point of
my
view, yeah, go ahead,
continue.
Sujan.
As per my point of view, I just want to say only that the social distancing must have been followed because the coronavirus has been totally removed from the economy. But government should give some relaxation in their norms, and to as the GDP and the financial position of the India has been quite not good. So to boost our economy, there must be some relaxation in the in this part, in this social distancing part, and the government should make us some separate rules and norms, separate rules and norms from other than to boost this economy, as it is going to be declined very much as compared to the past data.
In my point of view, yes, till vaccine comes up, social distancing is the new world order, but it can't be followed in long run, as it is difficult for many of the sectors to cope up with. Like for example, like Prinka said, the especially for agriculture sector and all. And I agree to Prinka's point that yes, those sectors like IT sectors, which can be operated through homes, can follow it in future.
From my side of point, from my point of view, social distancing must be followed in each and every country of the world for next. As we all know, it's not going in a short span of time. So the government could do one thing. We could get some relaxation of standard operating protocols for different sectors. First of all, education sector must be relieved. Like there should be relaxation in their sector. So for me, social distancing is must for every country in the world for next 1.5.
I think Praveen has got disconnected. So, Mike, would you please
Yes,
go ahead?
I would like to conclude that the distancing should be followed for some more years, as we can see that after the lockdown, some companies are even doing their business with the social distancing now also. Like if we go for Uber cabs and like banking sector or real estate sector, they are still doing their business with the social distancing. But like as the Priyanka said that the in the manufacturing and the production, it can't be done with the social distancing. Yes, we can hope for the wait for the vaccine to the come. Uh, yes,
At
that was
last,
all.
I would like to conclude that the sectors which can perform with social distancing should opt for social distancing, as it is also saving their costs, like operational costs and all. But the sectors like retail and all, they can't at all function without without this social distancing. Like they have to lay off their employees, and the cost which they have to incur on operational or rent basis, that's quite high, and that would lead our economy very down. As it is already in negative, it would also lead it to more negative. Yes, technology has given a boost to the country, and our technology has been helpful in facing this COVID situation very efficiently to us, but this can't be continued forever. The social distancing can be opted only for the sectors which can continue with social distancing.
Yeah,
That's it.
as per my opinion, um, manufacturing and agriculture are the major contributors to our GDP. So we can't take them for granted, and we are getting a it's major part of economy. So we can't do social distancing for in that sector for long. But technological aspect, yes, technological sector we can take it as an opportunity. Things like ban be a great opportunity for us. So yes, we can boost our economy through that, but it can't be for long. Social distancing can't be long. It's not a solution. Just a measure.
It's a precautionary measure.
Yeah.
According to my point of view, social distancing should be followed in some sectors where it can be go through the technological advancement. And according to my point, our PM Narendra Modi was vision was also to go for the cashless economy. And in the some sector, it has shown a tremendous result also for the going to cashless economy. And in recent times, we have been seeing in the news that Bihar elections are going on. But if we go in the past in 2014, Narendra Modi has conducted 3D rallies, and it can be followed in the Bihar elections also, and to reduce the cases. And if we go in the technological point of view, in the month of March, even we have also not heard or means taken a note that even we will be going through the Zoom technologies to cover up the online studies. Even now, government UGC and AICT, UCBSE, all board is following and making a course outline in a substitute that if social distancing can be followed in coming times, then it can be applied in the government as well as in the Navodaya schools, which are the basic source for the rural economy to educate the children. And in for the environmental perspective of view, I think social distancing must be maintained, because anyhow it will going to reduce the environmental desertification. Thank you. I think everyone has told.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to end the meeting. Okay.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.